Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $2.7 trillion. We are down 0.4% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently trading at 40%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see we are starting to see some green across the board finally, but still overall over the last couple of days we have seen continuous downward trend occurring in the markets, but very normal, guys. I am not worried at all. We need to keep in mind that over the past month and a half we have seen nothing but bullishness for the entire crypto space. Q4 has been absolutely amazing and I believe we're going to see continuous rise as we close out this year. So you guys need to keep in mind that we are going to see consolidation phases occurring within the time period, even if we are in Q4, because nothing is going to go up straight forever. Whales are going to take profits. Whales are going to try to shake out the weak hands, and that's just the reality. And you do not want to be the ones that are getting shaken out, and that's definitely not what you want to be doing and falling for the whale tactics. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin, and that is Vechain. Alright, my Vechain family, if we are looking at the Vechain price, as you guys can see, Vechain is currently trading at 12.8 cents. We are down 0.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 0.2% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Vechain's current rank has dropped even more, and we're currently sitting at top 27 spot. Market cap right now is $8.58 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at $545 million. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 860%. So let's not forget that when we are looking at the prices of Vechain. And if you are a Vechain holder, guys, I strongly encourage you guys to watch this video till the absolute end. I'm sure you guys will find it very interesting. So let's get into the price and see what's going on and where we could be going in the immediate short term. Alright, Vechain holders, so as you guys can see, not much has happened since yesterday, but you guys want to stick to the, till the end of this video, because I'm going to share some very personal thoughts with you guys and how you guys need to really picture this overall price action for Vechain. So as you guys can see, not much has happened. As I have mentioned, we're still hovering around the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. We're still below this level of resistance right now that is playing out at this 13 cents mark. You guys can see we touched this level of resistance, but we got rejected. And the main factor as to why we are unable to break above it is because we are not seeing enough buying pressure on the side of Vechain. And obviously that's nothing to worry about. We will see that organically happen. But one thing that a lot of Vechain holders are, doing right now is losing hope. And that's something I want to cover in this video, guys. So you guys want to hear this out. I've been getting comments left and right. There are, Vechain holders, part of the community, that are coming up to me and saying, hey, Crypto ZX, we do strongly believe in Vechain as a product. We strongly do. But we think there's better opportunities where we could put our, sell our Vechain and put our money into and, double, triple it and get back into Vechain. I definitely get your guys' point. Definitely do. But you guys do not want to be left behind, especially in Q4, guys, because you never know when the coin is about to pop off. So that's a risk that you are taking on your own. No one is telling you to do so. If that's what you guys want to do, you guys do what works for you. But I'll warn you guys that it's a very risky very risky type of a trade, because you never know. Vechain could pop off as we go into December and really kickstart this rally, and we could even be off to all-time highs that we have not seen before. So that's a risk that majority of the people in the Vechain community will not take, especially if you are a long-term holder and you actually are a die-hard believer of Vechain. Yes, guys, we are not seeing, let me repeat it again, we are not seeing continuous gains being made across the board like we are seeing Avalanche make, Solana make, Polkadot make, Uniswap make. Yes, I'm getting that. We're not making those kind of strides across the board. But one thing that a lot of people are ignoring is, a lot of people are ignoring this, guys. It's absolutely insane to me. The fact that people expect that all the coins are supposed to move like that. Absolutely not, guys. All the coins are not supposed to move like that. And one thing that should not be coming as a surprise to any one of you guys is as how good of a project Vechain really is. Forget the price. I have mentioned this before. For 1 second, if you guys come out and say, you know what, let's forget about the price. Let's forget about Vechain as a coin itself. Let's look at the company itself. What have they done? What are they really doing? What kind of strides are they making in the blockchain industry? What are they doing? Guys, forget the price action. Just see the development side of the spectrum. Look at these partnerships. Look at the Vechain Thor ecosystem, guys. You guys can see some of the biggest organizations around the world that are working with Vechain and using the Vechain Thor blockchain. And these company names don't lie, guys. You guys can see Walmart China on there. You guys see H&M. You guys see DHL. You guys see BMW. And the list goes on and on. And this list is not ended here. This list is only going to get bigger as time goes by, especially as this market approaches and matures. More and more bigger companies, when they see, you know what, hey, we're seeing Walmart China use Vechain Thor blockchain. Why don't we step in? Why don't we contact Vechain and, you know, tell them to help us? And this is what we're seeing Vechain do on a continuous basis. And what Vechain is doing right now, guys, is literally mind-blowing right now. Has a real working product, real use case, and I really do believe it is strongly undervalued, and Vechain time is going to come. Yes, we're not seeing the gains that we want to be seeing right now happen, but guys, patience is your number one key to follow in the cryptocurrency markets, because patience does pay off. And you know, we are around the corner to see a nice blast off towards the upside. If I am bringing out the measuring tool, guys, you know, we are still down about almost 50% since this high that we hit at 18, almost 19 cents just you know, earlier this month. We're down 50% from there, guys. 50%. So if you were asking yourself, hey man, oh, Vechain is booming, I wish I bought back around the 61.8 or below this 13 cents support level, now might be the time, guys. Now might be the time to dollar cost average in. And you know, if you're in for the long haul, guys, you guys know I don't need to remind you guys as to what needs to be done. Long-term perspective, if you have done your due diligence and invested what you can afford to lose, then, you know, and if you're in for the long haul, then holding is your number one key to follow. And the ones that are patient, that actually hold, are the ones that are going to be paid off in the end. And I'm a strong believer on Vechain. I still do believe we're going to see newer all-time highs this year alone, guys. We're going to see newer all-time highs this year alone. I'm very optimistic. So hodl on, stay strong, and just know, guys, cryptocurrencies are very unpredictable. Every coin, especially the ones with real legitimate use cases, strong communities, working products, are going to have their time to shine, and Vechain's time to shine is definitely coming. And you guys will remember that CryptoZX was the one who mentioned this when everyone was panicking. And there's a lot of, you know, as this, you know, as big of a surprise is coming to me, you know, again, at the same time, it's not too shocking the amount of people that are really losing hope on Vechain. But again, you know, as more and more people start losing hope, that literally means that the time is getting near and near and near, and the pop-off is going to happen. Look, but right now we are, you know, still around this 61.8, below this level of resistance. I would like for Vechain to get above this level of resistance as soon as possible, but we need to be paying very close attention to Bitcoin. Bitcoin did have a double bottom, but since then we have seen a bounce back up, but we're not getting excited until we break out of this $60,274 level. That's when we get excited, and that's when I really do see the overall market really bouncing back up once again. BTC dominance is playing out in the favor of some altcoins right now. As you guys can see, we are you know, pulling down quite sharply in BTC dominance. We're currently sitting at 42.58%, but this number can shoot up any second, guys. because at the end of the day, Bitcoin still has steam, and if Bitcoin really does see a bounce back towards the upside, we could see BTC dominance spike up once again. So that needs to be monitored very, very carefully. But that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below, what are you guys doing right now, and what are your thoughts on Vechain? Are you guys picking up some Vechain? Are you guys holding? Are you guys staking? Let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to know it. And also, if I can ask you guys for one favor, and that is if you can like, subscribe, and comment. That's literally all I ask for, and that would mean the absolute world for me. I love you all, guys. You guys have been absolutely killing it with the support. Literally, from the bottom of my heart, I love you all. Your support means the world to me, and I will continue delivering these videos for you guys. And just keep supporting, and we are taking Crypto ZX channel literally to the moon. And stay safe out there, guys, because at the end of the day, safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. I love you guys once again. Thank you for all the support, and you guys mean the world to me. So peace out, guys. It's been Crypto ZX, and I'll see you all tomorrow.